Welcome to RiseWindows. In this video, I will be showing you to stop OneDrive from starting up automatically. OneDrive is a Microsoft cloud and backup storage that synchronizes your files across all devices and will automatically start up every time a user signs into Windows. If you won't use OneDrive all the time and want to disable this behavior, the RiseWindows post will show you how to do it. When you install OneDrive on Windows 11, it automatically adds its icon on the taskbar. You can right-click the OneDrive app icon on the taskbar and close it. However, the next time you log back onto Windows 11, the OneDrive app will start up again. In this video, I will be describing two methods to stop OneDrive from starting up automatically. Method 1. You can turn this behavior off when using Windows Task Manager and perform the following steps. Step 1. Firstly, open Task Manager. For that, right-click on the Start button on Taskbar and select Task Manager to launch it. You can also open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Step 2. Now, if the Task Manager opens with fewer details, refer below image, click the down-facing caret to expand it. Step 3. Then Task Manager will appear with full details. Then navigate to the Startup tab. Step 4. Finally, locate the OneDrive or Microsoft OneDrive. Then right-click on it and select Disable option. When you sign into your user account, the OneDrive program will not open automatically. Method 2. You can disable Auto Start using OneDrive application settings. Do the following steps. Step 1. Firstly, right-click on the OneDrive icon in the taskbar notification area. If you don't see the icon, click the upward-facing caret to view the hidden app icons. Step 2. Now, on the Microsoft OneDrive window, select the Settings tab. Then, uncheck the box that says, Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows under the General section. Step 3. At last, click the OK button. When you sign into your account, Microsoft OneDrive should not open automatically. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.